Hello everyone, and today we are going to review Chase Bank account. So in today's video, we're going to talk about why this is the best checking account on the market. So when it comes to choosing a bank to open up a new checking account with, this is something that many people overlook, with the concept being that all checking accounts are the same, which is completely not true. We always want to use checking accounts that will offer us benefits that will financially benefit us. And that's why in this video we're going to talk about Chase banking account and why it is the best. So the first benefit of having a Chase checking account is the higher approval odds for Chase credit cards. Many people don't know that bank relationships matter and can increase your approval odds for credit cards. This because banks can see your transactions, which helps build a financial history with them. And with Chase having some of the best credit cards on the market, this makes it a no barrier to have a checking account with them. The next benefit of having a Chase checking account is their nationwide bank branches. Since 2020, Chase has been on a building spree, opening up new bank branches nationwide. Now it's more convenient than ever before to find a Chase bank in your local area. And this because Chase realized that there are need for more nationwide bank branches. And with the Chase customer service experience being the best in the industry, you will always feel like a high-end client without having the high-end funds to back it up. And if you guys are interested in opening up a Chase checking account, Chase is offering a $300 welcome bonus if you open up a checking account and deposit $500 within your first 90 days of opening up the account. And the last reason why you should have a Chase checking account is their low barrier to entry. In previous years, if you want to open up a Chase checking account without having to pay any checking account fees, you would either need to maintain a balance of $2,000 or be a military member. But Chase has recently made up a huge update to where you only need to deposit $500 or more every month to avoid their checking account fees. So now you don't have to stress about maintaining a balance of over $2,000 just to avoid the checking account fees. And this is actually a good decision from Chase bank account. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.